Okay, welcome back again in our online classes. This is Mridul Jha and I will be teaching to class 11 student one play from Shakespeare's Tales, my dear students. And these classes will be for West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Educations, the students those who fall in class 11. So today in this class I will be teaching you one favorite play of Shakespeare's Tales, my dear students, which is going to come for 6 to 7 marks in your board exam. Whenever you appear for the promotion stage of class 12, my dear students, there will be a choice between Othello and Macbeth. Macbeth I have not started, Othello I am going to complete today. Before proceeding, before going to this play, we have to understand the character list first. My dear students, let's have a look on the character list. Character list. Number one character we have Othello. Othello is a hero of this play. Now let me give you a short introduction regarding Othello. Othello is a black man. He is a black man, but very giant and very powerful. Okay, and a great warrior of the war. My dear students, so the King of Venice has made Othello General of Army. What do you mean by General of Army? The head of army. But ये बेचारा हप्सी है. Hopsy means, you understand what is hopsy? Black in color. Okay. So further I will be telling you in the play. So we understood the hero of the play is Othello himself. Now second character we have Desdemona. She is a heroine of this play, we can say. She is the heroine of this play. Very white and fair, very well maintained body. Okay, and extremely beautiful. Each and every youngster of Venice want to marry her, want to make her as a wife. Okay, and she is the daughter of Brabantio. Brabantio is a father of Desdemona. Are you getting my English? Brabantio is the father of Desdemona, and he is a senator. In the King Paris. Three characters you understood. Now the fourth character we have Iago. Iago. He is a villain of the play. Okay, everything he plot the plan. Okay, and he is also a soldier in Othello army. Are you getting me? Othello army, he is a soldier, and Othello thinks he is a very good friend of him. Othello को ऐसा लगता है कि इयागो मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है, लेकिन नहीं है, वो विलेन है, Othello के खिलाफ में है. Okay, and the Cassio. These both men is in the same post, same designation. Designation means, you understand? हाँ, सेम पोस्ट होता है ना, दोनों का दोनों सोल्जर, सैनिक है, और ये दोनों का दोनों बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है ऑथेलो का. ऑथेलो ये दोनों पे बहुत ट्रस्ट करता है. ऑथेलो यूज्ड टू ट्रस्ट दिस टू मैन. कैसियो रियली इज अ ट्रू फ्रेंड ऑफ ऑथेलो, बट Iago does not like this Othello. The power and function of Othello, the way of dealing the matters of Othello. Are you getting me? So till number 5 you have understood. Now 6 one we have Emilia. She will be playing a very short role in this play, but the main role. She is a wife of Iago, and later on she will be the house servant of Desdemona. Okay. Now number 7. Number 7 we have momento. Momento. Sorry, I missed N. Momento. Okay. He is a governor. Governor means you understand what is governor. And 7th character we have Rodrigo. Later on he will be killed by Iago. Later on he will be killed by Iago. Rodrigo is a nobleman. Nobleman means he is a good and a wealthy man. पैसा इसके पास बहुत है. And the last character I have not written because not so important. That is a duke. That is duke. What do you mean by duke? King. King means he is a duke. He is the king of Venice. He is the king of Venice. Place called Venice. Okay. Now let's proceed to the our play of William Shakespeare, my dear students. Now let's see. The story began like this. Iago and Rodrigo is talking with each other. Rodrigo blaming Iago, you have taken lots of money and you said that you are going to make her my wife. But she run away with the Othello. Now return my money. Are you getting my English? Iago and Rodrigo having a conversation where he is very angry. He is telling Iago, you have taken lots of money because you said that Desdemona is going to be my wife. You are going to do this work for me. But she ran away with the Othello. Now your work over. You return my money. Are you getting me? Rodrigo is broken here. He wanted to marry Desdemona, but the Desdemona ran away with the Othello. Iago said, be calm, have patience. Anyhow, I am going to make this Desdemona your wife. Run away only, na? I will bring it back. Are you getting me? She has run away with the Othello. Only run away. I am going to bring her back. And this Othello I am not going to leave him. This Othello I am not going to leave him. Rodrigo knows that again this man is making me fool. Again this man is making me fool. Who is the man here? Iago. But no option. Said okay, last chance, you just go. Try to make her my wife. I like her. Are you getting me? Iago said, you don't worry. Now what happened? This man goes. अपना घर चला जाता है. This man is now planning what to do. This Othello day by day getting achievement. General Army of Venice. He is the head of the army. He is my boss. Okay, and I have taken lots of money with this fellow to make her wife. Now if this both will be not separated, then I have to return money to the Rodrigo. That is also a big problem. So what he did, directly he went to the Brabantio. Oh, our Highness Senator, do you know one thing? Brabantio said, what happened, Iago? Okay, what happened, Iago? Had you searched Desdemona at your home? Why to search her? Who asked this? Brabantio to Iago. She has run away with the Othello. That black man, looking very weird also. What is that? What talent we see in Othello? Nothing. Only he have lots of stamina, war brain. But by looking, he is a black people. Hopsy. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Brabantio says, no. How this possible? My daughter is so beautiful. How my daughter is going to choose Othello? Impossible. Iago said, okay, no problem. You just go and search at your house. Now Brabantio running, opening the door of each and every room. He did not find his daughter. Very good, Nikita. Desdemona. Now He is very angry. What type of foolish daughter? I gave birth to this type of daughter who does not know like Othello, black, very black. She is very fair. Matching नहीं कर रहा है, जोड़ी matching नहीं कर रहा है. Now he is angry and he went to Duke of Venice. Do you know Duke of Venice, Roman? He is a king. Said, our highness king of Venice, I am not going to leave Othello, but me, the old man, what can I do to this giant Othello? So I need your help. Bang this man. Let us throw him from the general of army. Duke said, what happened? Don't know. He has done some black magic to my daughter, Desdemona. Desdemona, she is very innocent. He quickly comes to believe each and everyone. Okay, she does not have that cunning brain. She is a pure by heart and married to Othello. Now the Duke thinks that if the man would have been other than Othello, I would have taken some decision against him. But the Othello, if he will be angry, my army will be gone. Other country will attack and I will be defeated. He said, okay, Brabantio, let us call Othello and let him speak. What is the truth? Othello came, he said, no, I have not done any black magic. I have just said Desdemona regarding my winning of war. How brave I am, how I killed my enemy, how I saved this duke from the attackers. Roman, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Desdemona, she herself said that she want to marry me. That she want to marry me. Why eyes contact is not there with you? Look at me, okay? Desdemona herself said that I want to marry you. Oh, Othello, oh, very brave Othello, I want to marry you. And when she said I want to marry you, I was interested. I was interested. If you don't believe, call Desdemona, ask her. Now Duke thought, let us close this matter. Duke said to Brabantio, see, Othello has not done anything. Desdemona, that was her choice. Okay, she went to the Othello and she married. And Duke said to Othello, you don't worry, you go, you are innocent. Turk is going to attack our Duke. So you just plan for the war. Through the sea route, Turk means you know Turkey. Turkey also, not Turkey, Turkey. Okay, Turk is going to attack Venice through the sea side. Okay. Here is Turk, here is Venice. This all is sea. This all is sea. Now the Turk army is going to cross sea, and here he is going to attack. So you be prepared. Othello said, oh, no problem. This is my job, and very well you know, no one has defeated me in the war. He took his army, made this Cassio lieutenant, Iago soldier only. Now Iago again angry with the Othello. Said this stupid Othello again made this Cassio lieutenant, means senior to me, not to me. Now again he is very jealous of Othello. Later on, when the Othello is already there for the war, Momento called to Othello, said one happy news is there for you. This man with full force came to attack us, but in the middle of the sea they disappeared. No need to prepare for the war. Everyone started celebrating. Without war, winning. Yes or no? Without war, winning, my dear students. Now, Othello said to Iago, ठीक है, तुम लोग पार्टी करो, ज़्यादा पीपा मत करो, शॉर्ट पार्टी करो और घर जाओ. Othello went and spent time with Desdemona because they both are newly married. Okay. Now Iago offered wine to Cassio. Cassio said, no, 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 no wine. Today is Jasn ki raat hai. You have this wine. Cassio tasted and went out of control. There was a little bit fight between Cassio and Iago and the soldiers. Othello came and again matter solved. Now Othello, Desdemona, Emilia appointed as a servant of Desdemona. Okay, now Iago is again planning. What to do with this Othello. He said, Emilia, you have to do my one work. What is that work? Othello, first time when he met with Desdemona, he has gifted handkerchief to Desdemona with a heart. Okay, heart drawing he has gifted to Desdemona. You just bring that handkerchief to me. And give me. Emilia said, okay, Hujur, you are my husband. I have to obey you. Emilia went to Desdemona room and took that handkerchief, gave to Iago. Now, Iago gave that handkerchief in the where the Cassio used to keep his clothes and all. छुपा के रख दिया handkerchief. And now gone to Othello and said, Othello, do you know one thing? There is some affair between Desdemona and Cassio. Othello said, oh, rubbish, don't speak. He did not believe. You don't believe me? Okay. Cassio was sleeping with me and I saw the handkerchief which you have given to Desdemona. It was with Cassio. And while sleeping, he was just telling, in a sleep only, he was just saying, I love Desdemona. Thank you so much for giving us this wonderful gift. I can't live without you. He said to Othello. Othello said, okay, wait. We went to Desdemona, said, where is that handkerchief which I have given you? Give me. Desdemona said, okay, no problem. She searched everywhere. He searched everywhere, but did not got the handkerchief. Othello said, okay. He is very angry now, but control his anger. Directly came to Iago and said, oh Iago, you were my true friend. From today you are the lieutenant. Go and kill Cassio. It was night time. Othello went to Desdemona, had some physical relations very forcefully, very rarely, in which the Desdemona little bit got injured also. Okay, and again this Roderigo came to Iago and said, hopeless fellow, now Othello is going to become a father. Where is my Desdemona? Iago came to know. Now the situation is out of control. He took one dagger, killed to Roderigo. Roderigo cried, we used to say, whenever someone will apply that dagger to us, we will say, yes or no? Othello became very happy. We thought that Cassio is been killed. This play is full of tragedy. Tragedy means, you understand? Tragedy means in last main character will be murdered or killed. Are you getting my English?
Yes, sir.
Othello become very happy. Oh, अच्छा, रास्ता का दुश्मन साफ हो गया. Cassio killed, but Cassio was killed. Who was killed? Roderigo. Now Othello said, my dushman killed, my friend killed to my enemy. Now what about this Bewafa? What about this Desdemona? I have loved her truly. I did everything to her, but she cheated me. Othello took one pillow. Desdemona was sleeping, and with that pillow, he blocked the nose portion of Desdemona. Desdemona, alas, At that time, Emilia entered in Desdemona's room and said, Othello, why you did this? Why you did this? Othello said, you don't know anything. She had some affair with Cassio. Then Emilia asked, how you came to know? Because Desdemona always talked about you only to me whenever we both were free. How you came to know that Cassio is Cassio and Desdemona had some affair? They were friends, I agree. And the Cassio was not that type of person. He's with clean heart. Even he have girlfriends. He's going to marry him. Okay. Othello said, no, you don't know. I found my handkerchief in the room of Cassio. Emilia came to know handkerchief, Desdemona handkerchief that I have given to Iago. She said the truth to Othello. Iago has done this just to make you in problem. Now Othello surprised completely. Oh, what I did! I killed I murdered my love, Desdemona. He himself killed himself, suicide. Othello also expired. Desdemona also expired. Roderigo also expired, and the William Shakespeare has called End of Othello. End of Othello. So what do we came to know by the writing of William Shakespeare? He is a keen lover of placing the character. He in the beginning also only he said that this play is full of tragedy. In last, the hero will be killed. Okay. Now later on, Duke came to know regarding this Iago, and he has given some prison of many years. Again, the Cassio became the general of army, but the Venice happiness, charmness, everything lost, because Othello was the only one who had saved Venice from the attackers, enemies. Okay, so we ended Othello. Each and everything's note I will be providing in the group. Thank you so much.